everyone, this is your friend Tarot Card Reader Prajakta Patil, and yes, today I'm here to do your weekly tarot card reading from the week starting from 1st of March 2021 till 7th of March 2021. And yes, I'm here to share a very good news with all of you. Last week I did a reading. I started with a reading of for children, right? We have added this section. So I did not realize that of course it is a reading for me too. And what happened, I know that you must have got the same experiences that we got in the tarot card reading, but I would like to share my good news because as we got abundance card, I guess if I'm not wrong, I got that the children would be more of giving viva, or they will be going through a test, right? So it just happened so smoothly and so suddenly that I could not realize it practically, that the reading went really true for me. Because what happened is, I submitted some of my videos, some of my son's videos, wherein he is memorizing. He knows all these numbers from 1 to 20, then all the alphabets, then he knows some rhymes, and then Hindi vowels, shapes, several numbers, several colors. And so yes, I was just capturing all those videos, and I thought of submitting all those videos to India Book of Records. And guess what? He got an appreciation by India Book of Records. Yes, and soon we will be getting his certificate, and it's a proud moment for me and my entire family. So yes, the reading was true for my son. So it just came to me that I should share this news with you, because you are like a family for me, and we meet every week. So let's start with the next week reading. Okay. All right, so we are done with the drawing of cards. Okay, so let's start with the love relationships. Now this is the card that we've got for love relationships. So if we see very closely, this is the Chariot card, wherein see, there would be I'll just show you the second card for love relationships. The situation will improve. Now if we read these cards in case of love relationships, we see that that one of the partner in that in a couple, he or she may have to take everything in hand, the decisions and everything. And that is the way your love relationship will go on successfully, because there are situations wherein one of the partner is not able to take decisions, practical decisions, okay? And somewhere that partner is being is failing, or he or she is not able to um, get the outcome of some work. So it's better for the other partner, other better half, to take everything in their hand, okay? It becomes very necessary when we are doing this weekly reading, because in this specific week it is going to happen. So make sure you are taking all those decisions wisely, right? Also, what I feel is, once you take that in your hands, the situation will improve, as the card says, okay? So don't worry about anything, because once you become wise about taking all the decisions regarding your life and your partner's life, everything will go smoothly, okay? Now we will move on to the career life. Now this is the card, Three of Swords, okay? And the second card is Helpful People. Now when we see three of swords, it looks like, you know, heartbreak or something like that, but it's not, it's not going to be the same as we feel. It's not going to be literally heartbreaking, but yes, what I feel is there are going to be some situations or some incidents wherein, you know, you will be hurt. Okay, there would be a situation, for example, there would be a situation wherein, you know, you have done all the efforts, you have done, you have worked beautifully for something at your workplace, and you haven't got the appreciation. So of course, you know, even if not, you're not getting the required appreciation, you feel bad. So this may happen, okay, but don't forget that there are going to be helpful people who are going to be there with you, because they have seen your struggle, your efforts, your work. So don't worry, because these helpful people will then help you get to the level where you are wishing to be. Okay, so don't worry, just be in your cool mind, because that will help you a lot. Anger will not help you at all, so please, please, please be very cool, right? Okay, now we will move on to the family life section. This is the first card, King of Cups. Okay, and the second card in case of family life is improving health. Okay, so many of us are having an ill patient in our family, or say, you know, there is some sickness in the family. So don't worry, and most probably what I see is the male member of the family. Okay, so just take care, because what I feel is this sickness or illness is not physical sickness, it is more of mental sickness. Okay, so now when I say mental sickness, that it means that, you know, the person is having some kind of stress or tension or anxiety, and you need to talk it out. Okay, once you discuss with that family member, I think it is going to be all fine, because it says improving health. Okay, so please make sure you are paying attention to that member. Okay, and yes, it will improve for sure. Okay, then the fourth one is for children, how it is going to be. This is the card, Two of Wands, and be assertive. Okay, now when we talk about Two of Wands, like, can you see the person holding a globe? Okay, now when you think of children, and you look at these cards, it says that your children are going to have some international opportunities within the school, or say within the community they are in the friend circle. You know, they might be in the in any kind of competition, or say a kind of face off, okay, with the foreign students. It may so happen that they are going to get recognition in that. Okay, so if you get such opportunity wherein you are having that international exposure for your children, please go ahead, because it is going to be very good for you, for your children. And be assertive, because if you be that, you know, if you have that scariness in your mind, if you are anxious enough to just let go of it, and you're not able to take that decision whether to send that child or not, please just be clear about it. If you're getting such opportunity, make sure your child is getting that exposure. Okay, and you know, good news will come your way, because this is, as it says, be assertive. That means if you be positive, you will get the recognition for your children. Okay, so I hope you all are clear about all the aspects, and if you have any queries, and if you want my tarot card reading appointments, please WhatsApp me on 8451872244. Stay blessed. Thank you.